On Broad is to bring awareness to the hip-hop community. We wanted to do it because it's bringing together all aspects of the community.
All the proceeds and funds go to help kids in our community.
Sprint and the Police Athletic League have come together to use NASCAR as a vehicle to get the inner city more interested in motorsports as an entertainment option, as a business option, as a career option.
It's a sunny April day in Richmond, Virginia at the Sprint Downtown VCU store, along with the Richmond Police Department, the Police Athletic League, the Richmond International Raceway, and various sponsors make history by shutting down Broad Street to present their first annual NASCAR On Broad. Now here's owner Torrance Hampton.
Almost 5 months in the making. Never been done before. 500 people expected to come down for the event. Got the police department involved, got the Richmond Police Athletic League. So it's not just about sprint, it's about enhancing the community. Got about 45 kids that are with PAL, and PAL is an inner city program for at-risk youth in the city of Richmond. Really a great thing going on. So NASCAR On Broad, it's gonna be an annual event, first year, but it's coming back. Thanks to Chief Moreau too. Without him, none of this would be possible.
Okay, the Sprint setup crew has everything in place. The street is totally blocked off. The crowd has finally arrived. Why? It's NASCAR On Broad, baby!
My name is Daniel Goodall. I'm a major with the Richmond Police Department.
The good major gets us to his bottom line about the community. Let's listen.
We all collectively want to see the same thing happen in the community, and that's to have a safer, healthier community where young people can grow and go to the places they want to go in life.
My name is Matthew Beecher. I'm the Vice President of Marketing with Richmond International Raceway.
Matt says NASCAR On Broad was a no-brainer.
Police Athletic League is a phenomenal thing for us to support, and given the racing theme, it just makes sense. The timing is also perfect, given that our race is next weekend, so it's a terrific way to kick off all the festivities that will be happening over the next 7 days.
Cynthia Price, Richmond Police spokesperson.
Now, when you need to get the word out about a community event, Cynthia is your girl.
One of my responsibilities has been working to get the word out about this exciting event. You know, we were told that you couldn't do this type of event, closing off Broad Street and all, and we said, hey, that's not a problem. We've got the Richmond Police Department, we've got the Richmond International Raceway, and it's just an exciting event.
Hey, my name is Officer Zamparello, Richmond Police Department, the Executive Director of the Police Athletic League.
Officer Zamp breaks down barriers between the police department and the community.
We want to be at events like this, and we want to be, you know, in touch with folks. We don't want to be just, you know, out there being the guy in the blue uniform. We want people to understand that we're approachable, and we can do that.
Hi, my name is TT Torres from iPower 92.1, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Radio personality TT Torres says NASCAR On Broad is an event for all walks of life.
With Sprint and the police department and NASCAR and the radio station coming together, it's just bringing awareness as a whole to not just one social network or one community, but it bridges gaps between everybody.
Todd Urban, I'm the Senior Director of Brand Strategy and Market Insights for International Speedway Corporation.
My man Todd talks about the huge opportunity with NASCAR and sports entertainment marketing.
Where there's a whole industry that a lot of minority segments were missing out on in terms of jobs and career growth, and that's sports and entertainment marketing. A big piece of that is NASCAR. For the most part, we as minority groups haven't been involved in, and there are more and more of us who are starting to get more involved in the sport. And I think events like this really start to raise that awareness.
Attention all sponsors, here's your chance to be a part of NASCAR On Broad Street 2009. All sponsorships and vendor booth inquiries should be emailed to NASCAROnBroadStreet@gmail.com. We're talking about food, fun, games, people, racing simulators. It's NASCAR On Broad Street, and you can be a part of it.
Well, I would like to see this event go bigger.
You know, not just people of a certain color or a certain neighborhood.
People from all different walks of life together under a common umbrella, that being NASCAR.
Folks out here really commit to the kids, inner city kids.
We want to get all the area merchants down here. We want to get some more NASCAR folks down here and actually have vendors and booths and sell things.
Really creating that block party, that kind of festival, carnival type atmosphere that we have at the track. You know, we'll create that right here.
Planning for NASCAR On Broad Street 2009 has already started. All sponsorships and vendor booth inquiries can be emailed to NASCAROnBroadStreet@gmail.com.